Welcome to ATP. I've worked hard all my life to have a comfortable retirement, and I'm sure you have as well. Money management is the roadmap that gives us our financial lifeline. But there are those who will try to take advantage of you and me through investing scams. I recently saw a Facebook post that piqued my interest, and after trying to get information, I found that it was a scam and wanted to share the information with you. Stay with me to the end, as I'm going to show you the many scam techniques and the red flags that you should be aware of. I'll also show you many psychological factors that scammers use to try and get money from us. One thing we share as investors is FOMO. FOMO is fear of missing out. We like to be in the action of making money and don't want to miss any opportunities. Unfortunately, FOMO can lead us to make decisions we might otherwise should not have made, resulting in losses. Keep FOMO in mind as we continue. If you see an advertisement or someone tries to convince you that an investment is guaranteed to earn high returns, it's a scam. You see, the truth is, there are no guarantees with investing, and no one nor the latest high-tech investing platforms can predict the future. I recently engaged a person online who was pushing binary options, and he stated that with $1,000, he could get me a return of $10,000 within 3 days. Now, this had red flags all over it and certainly was a scam. Exercise caution around high-pressure sales and limited-time offers. If you feel pressured to buy an investment right away, don't. Scammers use this pressure tactic to get your money before you have time to properly research an investment. Step back, calm yourself, talk to friends or family, and do your research before making any investment decision. If the product is legitimate, you'll have other opportunities to act on it in the future. As the old saying goes, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. And this certainly applies, especially to investments. Scammers will offer up unrealistic results, such as outsized returns, as I mentioned earlier, a very short investment window, or even zero risk, which are all glaring red flags. Scammers may try to lure us in with the promise of inside information. If someone claims to be able to predict an investment's performance, steer clear. Using inside information is illegal and would put a licensed broker or trader at risk of losing their license. So as soon as you hear the words inside information, you should get up and leave that meeting. If someone approaches you via email, telephone, social media, or any other method and tries to offer you investment advice, don't take it. Legitimate businesses and brokers wouldn't give unsolicited advice, so it's likely a scam. Look at these people as salespeople who are out to make a commission and only have their interests in hand and not ours. Steer clear of these people. Don't invest in products that aren't registered with a legitimate agency. You can look up products using the Security Exchange Commission or SEC's EDGAR database. You should also verify a broker's credentials by using the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority BrokerCheck tool. The EDGAR database allows you to search for keywords in over 20 years of EDGAR filings and filter by date, company, person, filing category, or location. I'll put these links in the description and you can look at these. If you're asked to provide an upfront fee to close a deal or are contacted out of the blue to make a payment you don't recognize, be wary. Scammers may ask for such a fee or expense with the promise of paying it back later, which they won't. Many online scammers are professionals and they do this as a business. They know the psychology factors and how to use them to get victims to pay. Let's look at these factors closer. From the very beginning of a scammer's presentation, it's all about deception, getting us to accept as true or valid what is in fact false or invalid. They do this by presenting eye-appealing websites or flashy internet posts, catchy industry jargon, catchphrases, words in capital letters or bold font jumping out at us to mislead us and then sell us on a golden opportunity. Manipulation. The scammer will try and use controlling behavior to conceal their true intentions or cause doubt and confusion. Examples are, you only need to send X amount of money, or this opportunity will help your children. Fear. The scammer will tell us how much money they can make for us, or show us an unrealistic financial result while explaining that this is only valid for a limited time, creating fear in us that we will miss out. Again, FOMO, fear of missing out. Trust. Many of these scammers are professionals and come across very smooth and polished, which makes us believe they are honest, trustworthy, and can be relied upon. Remember, the scammer's only interest is their own. Humiliation. And when the scammer senses we, the consumer, are not going to take part in their scam, without any regard to human feelings, may begin to embarrass and shame us, to make us feel stupid or unworthy. This is the scammer's attempt at one last effort to get us to sign on and spend money. I'm using the following examples of marketing material found on Facebook to demonstrate what we have just talked about and imply in no way that these marketing examples represent scams. One should always do their due diligence before making a commitment and giving money to purchase any product. Here in this marketing post, we see what is called a bait and switch scheme. In big print, they advertise for only 499 peso, but in smaller print, it reads lifetime access, one-time payment. In this situation, I would expect a high-pressure sales pitch by the salesperson to get a buyer to commit a higher amount of money to purchase the lifetime access. Next, we see high win rate strategy. Here's their guarantee. And again, there are no investment guarantees. Next, Forex trading, gold trading, 2-in-1 course. So the question is this trading in gold or the name of a premium course titled Gold Trading? Very confusing and a means, again, to deceive. This post is eye-appealing and professionally done, but we can see many glaring red flags. First, there is no United Global Markets financial consultancy on the website, nor are they listed in the EDGAR database. When you type in their URL, you get this message. I typed in the posted URL and this message appeared. Attackers might be trying to steal your information from m.me. The post description is very vague in details and lures the reader into contacting the company. Consistent returns mean nothing without the details of percentage gains versus losses. What does secure investments mean? Mutual funds? Money market? Certificates of deposit? Again, very vague. And the caption, our automated system, is merely industry jargon that means nothing, as today every stock exchange around the globe is automated. Guarantees a monthly compounded return of 20%. Here's their guarantee, which is a red flag of a scam. And again, there are no guarantees when investing. Here are a couple written examples and red flags that should raise concern to any consumer. Written as, turn your side hustle into serious gains before the new year. Our learning session is the cheat code you need for training success. This is very misleading and just a bunch of word salad. You see, again, you get into a limited time offer before the new year, only 2.5 weeks left. They talk about trading success, but they don't know what your side hustle is. Red flags all over this one. In example 2, it's written, we are a team of professionals dedicated to a single mission, make investing available for everyone. Complete our quiz that will help us get to know you and what you will need. This is just their opening statement and an opportunity to sell you something. They're trying to make a connection and be your friend. Purchase a 7-day trial that gets you access to our platform. They're making money from you for you to access their platform. Why? Many trading platforms like Thinkorswim and many others are free. Be cautious. Take our 7-day learning course and learn how to invest. Honestly, you don't learn how to invest in 7 days. So there's probably more courses to be offered to you for more money. Start investing through our partners. Who are the partners and why trade with them? To me, this sounds like a pyramid scam. Here's an overview of the scam techniques. Be cautious when anyone guarantees financial results. Remember, there is no such thing as a guarantee. Limited time offers and verbiage like "act now" are a pressure technique to take your money. Just get up and leave the meeting. Opportunities that are too good to be true. Remember, there is no free lunch in investing. Inside information is a dead giveaway that the offer is a scam. Unsolicited investment advice. Someone is looking to take your money. Don't let them. Unregistered investment products. Remember, you can use the SEC's EDGAR database or the FINRA's BrokerCheck tool to confirm the broker's legitimacy. Upfront payment requests. Dead giveaway, red flag, scam alert. There's a high probability you will never see this money again. Another look at the psychological factors scammers will use against us. Deception, getting us to accept as true or valid what is in fact false or invalid. Manipulation, the scammer will try and use controlling behavior to conceal their true intentions or cause doubt and confusion. Fear, show us an unrealistic financial result while explaining that this is only valid for a limited time, creating fear. FOMO, fear of missing out. Trust, the scammer tries to befriend us with smooth and polished professional jargon to make us believe they are honest, trustworthy, and can be relied upon. Humiliation, the scammer embarrasses and shames us to make us feel stupid or unworthy. You and I have worked a long time to get to where we are, and it's important to make sure we don't allow those unscrupulous scammers to take our money. If you have found value in this video, a big thumb up is appreciated. Share with your friends, stay safe, enjoy your retirement. God bless.